All right, so I just picked up this THINKWORK Wall Spackle toolkit. It's HPK 14, and this is like all the tools that you would need. Like as like a new DIYer, you know, you have to go buy all these tools individually. It gets pretty expensive. But this has all of your blades, you know, to step up all the way to your longest blade. So you always start with the smallest, which is something like this. I mean, it has everything. And then you basically want it, when you're doing spackle, you want to make it wider, wider, and wider. So you start with this. This is where you do your tape widths, like a taping tape. And then you would do your second coat with this one, and then your third coat with this one, and then your fourth coat with this one, okay? And if you're a DIYer, most likely you're gonna need to do 4 coats because, you know, you're not doing this every day. But this kit, I mean, look, it comes with all these different little knives. It's crazy, you know. It comes with some brushes. I'm not sure what they're gonna be used for, but, you know, for the most part, you know, and the sanding blocks, which are really neat as well. This is 120 sanding. So yeah, you get your whole kit at one time. As a DIYer, this would be a perfect kit to get anyone or get yourself. Also, the other thing, these are like stainless steel. They're not the black carbide ones that rust, so these ones shouldn't rust and they should stay pretty good shape. What I like to do is after I use them, I clean them real well, and I might just spray a little WD-40 or something on them, just a light coat, and then put them away for a few months until I do another spackle job. But yeah, they're pretty nice. The handles feel good. They got like a little rubber feel to them. So they did a good thing here.